Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Spotify on your computer step by step. First, open your web browser and search for Spotify. Then open the official Spotify website. Once the website is open, you will see the Spotify home page. If you already have an account, click on Login and sign in to your account. After logging in, you can explore the Spotify home page. Here, you will find recommended music, playlists, artists, albums, and other content. Now let's search for a song. Click on the search option at the top of the screen. Type the name of any song or artist you want to find. Select a song from the search results. Here you can see the song information and the play button. For this tutorial, we will not play the copyrighted music. We are only showing where the play button and other Spotify controls are located. At the bottom of the screen, you can see different playback controls. These include play, previous, next, volume, and other options. You can also create your own playlist. Look for the option to create a new playlist, then enter a name for your playlist. You can use Spotify playlists to organize your favorite songs and easily find them later. You can also follow your favorite artists and explore their music from the artist page. To discover more content, return to the home page and browse the recommended playlists and categories. You can also use the search option anytime to find songs, artists, albums, podcasts, and playlists. So this is the basic way to use Spotify on a computer without playing copyrighted music in the tutorial. If this guide was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.